Hello students, this is Rojamani, HOD Department of Computer Science. Today I would like to explain about SQL data types. The main objective of SQL data type: inform a compiler or interpreter about the characteristics of the data used in a program. Second objective: data type is a particular kind of data item which helps define the operations that can be performed on the data. What is a data type? A data type is defined as the type of data which any column or variable can store in MS SQL server. A data type describes the type of value to store in a column. Each database column must have data type and name specified. There are different types of data types available in SQL. Numeric data. Numeric data type contains integer, tiny integer, big integer, float data, real data, etc. Second data type, date and time. It contains date data, time data, time data, etc. Third data type, character. Character and string data types such as char, varchar, text, etc. Fourth type of data, Unicode character string data type. Example, nchar, nvarchar, ntext, etc. Fifth one, binary data type. It contains binary data, var binary, etc. Finally, last one, miscellaneous data type. It contains CLOB, BLOB, XML, cursors, tables, etc. This is the flow diagram. First one, numeric. It contains bit, tiny integer, small integer, integer, big integer, decimal, numeric, float and real. Second one, date and time. Date and time data type contains date, time, timestamp and year. Third one, character or string data. It contains character data, varchar max data, text data. Next one, Unicode character. It contains nchar, nvarchar maximum data and text data. Next one, binary data type. Binary data type contains binary data, var binary max data and image data. Last one, miscellaneous. Miscellaneous data type contains CLOB, BLOB, XML and JSON, etc. First one, numeric data. Numeric data type, it stores exact numbers such as integers, decimals, etc. The bit store one of three values: zeros, ones and null values. The integer, big integer, small integer and tiny integer data type stores integer data. The decimal and numeric data type stores numbers that have fixed precision and scale. Numeric data type, range. Bit data, the range 0 from 1. Tiny integer range 0 to 255. Small integer range minus 3 to 7682 plus 3 to 767. Integer data range from minus to 147 483 6482 plus to 147 483 647. Big integer range very high. Next one, numeric integer. Numeric integer, decimal integer both are same range, minus 10 power 38 plus 1 to plus 10 power 38 minus 1. Next one, float. Float data type, the range from minus 1.79 exponentation plus 308 to 1.79 exponentation plus 308. Last one, real data. Real data, the range from minus 3.40 exponentation plus 38 to plus 3.40 exponentation plus 38. Second one, date and time data type. Date and time data type are normally used to store data like date of birth, hiring date, date and time when a record is created or updated inside a table. Date time. This data type is used to store complete date and time information. Date. This data type is used to store only date information. Time data type is used to store only time specific information. This is the range. Date data stores data in the format of year, month, day. Time format is hours, minutes and second. Date time data. It stores date and time information in the format year, month, day and hours, minutes, second. Timestamp. It stores number of seconds passed since the unique epoch 1970 01010000. Year stores year in 2-digit or 4-digit format. Third one, string data types. String data types are normally used to store names, address, descriptions, etc. Character. This data type is space padded to fill the number of characters specified. Here X is the number of characters to store. Varchar. This type got its name from varying characters. This data type does not pad unnecessary spaces. Text data. This type is used to store long textual information. String data type. The range is first one, character range, fixed length with maximum length of 8000 characters. Varchar also the storage with maximum length of 8000 characters. Varchar max, the variable length storage with provided maximum characters, but it does not support in MySQL. Text data. Text data variable length storage with maximum size of 2 GB data. Fourth one, Unicode. Unicode character string data type. This data type does not support in MySQL database. Nchar, fixed length with maximum length of 4000 characters. Nvarchar, variable length storage with maximum length of 4000 characters. Nvarchar maximum, variable length storage with provided maximum characters. Ntext, variable length storage with maximum size of 1 GB data. Unicode character string data type stores either fixed length or variable length. Fifth one, binary data type. Binary data type stores fixed and variable length. The range is fixed length with maximum length of 8000 bytes. Var binary, variable length storage with maximum length of 8000 bytes. Var binary maximum, its length with provided maximum bytes. Image, variable length storage with maximum size of 2 GB binary data. In this video, we learn about data types, different types of data types in SQL like numeric data, character data, string data, binary data, date and time and other data types. Thank you, students.